Hello and very good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Naveen from Time Excel VBA. So, guys, today I have brought a very important and good topic for you. And the topic is to create multiple sheets in one single click. But remember, we are not going to use any macro here. How it will be done without a macro. So, guys, there is a simple magical trick. But before going ahead, I would like to show you we have to have a look here in our data. First of all, I will show you what the data is telling to us, and thereafter we will create our summary, and then I will show you the magic trick. So here in my data, we have some outlet ID, some country names, salesman name, and sale amount in dollar. So here, guys, first of all, I will do it manually so that we could have a look how long it will take if this activity is done manually. And then I will show you the magic trick without macro. In order to do this, I will apply filter here, and in country names, I will select the first country as Algeria, select the data of this country, then click here, means added one more sheet, pasted the data here, and renamed it as Algeria, so that the person who is looking at this data can have an understanding that this is the consolidated data and this is the separate data for Algeria. And now I will have to do the same activity for Australia as well. So guys, if I have to repeat this activity as per the country names given on column B, let's say if there are 100 countries, then I will have to apply the same activity 100 times in this Excel sheet. And it will take too much of time because too much of manual intervention is here. Now I am coming to the magical point. So the magical point is to create multiple sheets through pivot table. In order to create a pivot table, first of all, put your cursor there in data, go to insert and go to pivot table and insert one pivot table here. Here your pivot table has been, created. So first of all, what I am going to do is, because I have to show my, summary through country names, country wise summary. So I will simply drag this country name to filter. Then salesman name in rows and sale amount in values. My summary has been created, and my further course of action is to put my cursor here in this pivot table and right click here. Go to pivot table option, and here in pivot table option, you can simply click on display option. And in display option, I will make my pivot table to be classic by clicking on this classic pivot table layout option, and then click on OK. After clicking here, your pivot table will be shown like this. And now go to pivot table analyze option. Here in pivot table analyze option, in the leftmost corner of your workbook, here is one section which is pivot table name. And here in pivot table name, there is one more option which is options. So expand this and click on show report filter pages. Once you click, one box will be appeared here, and the country name which I had dragged here in filter will be shown here. Now you can simply click on OK. As soon as you will click on OK, separate worksheets for different countries will be created, will have now been created for different countries. And now you can have a better look here, because in one single click, now if I want to have a look at Algeria, so these many salesmen have made their sales in Algeria, and total amount generated in Algeria is 10,685. Similarly, in Australia, these many salesmen have generated a sale of 46,562. So in one single click, I have created so many sheets. So guys, this is the simple magical trick of pivot table without a macro. There is no need to write any macro. Just create a pivot table, convert it to classic pivot table, and then go to pivot table analyze, and in report filter pages, just click on it. Your separate sheets will be created. This is all about this tutorial. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments in comment section. As of now, I'm signing off guys. Bye bye and take care.